FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried throwing cold water on this report that his company might be interested in buying Robinhood. In a statement to CNBC, he says, quote, "We are excited about Robinhood's business prospects and potential ways we could partner with them, and I've always been impressed by the business that Vlad and his team have built." That being said, there are no active M&A conversations with Robinhood. Jim, did this get out of the lane or not yesterday?
Well, I was very confused. I mean, it is true that this company, when it was a little bit lower, was trading below its cash. And that shouldn't happen. Someone should buy them. I went through that presentation that was that the House issued this weekend, and without a doubt, Vlad Tenev dissembled in front of Congress. So if someone were to take a hard look at that and take a hard look at some of those text messages are like, well, you know what? We don't really have any controls, but, you know, Webull is coming in. Hey, we can sign up 300,000. The recklessness, the lack of controls, the lack of governance. When we went to Chairman Gensler yesterday, Vlad, I love Vlad. Nice guy. But, I mean, Vlad knew nothing. Well, Sam's got he's a young fella. We don't have the picture of Sam with Giselle, do we? I mean, because that's an important moment. But there's a sense in the report that, oh, thank you. I mean, no, there you go. That says it all.
Yep.
What does that really say as I look at some of my executive producers here? But you go back over that report and you just say, someone take these guys out, please.
Right. I'm thinking back to interviews you did with Tenev last summer, in which he sort of spelled out the vision of an all-inclusive financial services company that was not about meme trading specifically. Is that still in the offing potentially, depending on who owns it?
You know, look, 50% of their stuff is options. They would tell you that, look, that's just a percentage, and there's a lot of people who do fractional and stuff. The fact, and I think Vlad's got the controls, and they've had some really good people come in. You want their 28 million people. You really do. I think it should be bought by someone. I think it's a great opportunity. If someone has controls, these people are ready to go. Now, you know, every day they send out Robinhood snacks, and every day I look at it, and it's much ado about nothing. Very good play.
Yep.
And what I come back and say is, wow. I mean, I wish James Gorman would buy them. He bought E-Trade. Maybe the new antitrust department wouldn't let him. Gorman having a fantastic, $18 billion buyback, 14% of the company, and raised the dividend. But Robinhood should be bought. It makes no sense because you could buy it and integrate it and have all those customers, and they're all the right customers.
Well, I was going to say, directionally, do you think a buyer should be the likes of a Bankman-Fried or Legacy Financial, for example?
Well, I think Legacy Financial has to get more involved with younger people. I mean, you take a look at Goldman Sachs. You know, they passed up on Schwab years ago and just should have bought it. I think Goldman should buy Robinhood. Now, that'll eliminate my chance of interviewing David Solomon, which I always like to get, and I just threw that out. But I think they should buy it, and then you have to worry about Marcus, all these different little things. Boom, you're in Robinhood.
Right.
Now, I mean, Goldman Hood, Robin Sachs. I dated her. Fabulous. But
Robin, how's she doing? I haven't talked to her in a while.
God love her. You know.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.